Today we are working on Excel Lesson 2, the 6th lesson, adjusting the columns and rows. So this is the document we should have open. Select any cell in column A. So it doesn't matter where you select. On the Home tab and the Cells group, click Format and Column Width. Format, Column Width. In the column width box, type 14 and press enter. Repeat steps 1 to 3 for column C with a width of 6. So you can click in that cell, format, column width, type 6 and enter. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Now try using the Autofit option for column B. You will choose cell B13 because it's wider than the current column width, but will not make the entire column too wide for many of the cells. So select cell B13. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Format, and click Autofit Column Width. You can see that it adjusted that cell. You can also use the mouse to auto-fit a column. It's faster than using the menu because it chooses the widest cell in the selected column. So move the mouse pointer to the right edge of the column A header, and the mouse pointer will change to a double-headed pointer. Double-click that position. So this line right between the A and the B, when you double-click, you see that it moved it over. Column A is now too wide to be visually appealing. Use the mouse to adjust the width. So move the mouse pointer to point to the right edge of the column A heading. The mouse is changing to a double-headed pointer again. Click and drag to the left to reduce the width. Notice the screen tip appears as you drag the mouse width, giving you the current column as a width as a visual reference. So you can see up there at the top what it's talking about. Release the mouse button when the column width is just right for displaying the full contents of cell A9, which is airport fees. So you can see airport fees right there, so you want it just to the right of that. Use the scroll arrows or next previous buttons to navigate. So that's how it should look. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Now adjust the height of some of the rows. Double click the row 1 header. So right here, double click that. Excuse me. Right click row 1 header. Right click. Then click row height in the shortcut menu. So right here. The dialog box opens. Type 30 and press enter. Right click the row 4 header. So right click row 4. Click row height. Type 9 and press enter. You can see that it made those narrower. So mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. 3 check marks. So this completes adjusting the columns and rows.